A lot of blood, sweat, and tears have been shed in that very ring. I think there's going to be a lot more shed here tonight. No doubt about that. These superstars are going to leave it all in the ring. He's been waiting the whole match for his chance to join in. That suplex was picture perfect. Powers his opponent down with a backbreaker. Ow! That was a serious
Look at that dude at. Oh, there he is.
There's a good reason that's called a backbreaker.
And look at the freak.
Look at that.
Look at that
No
freak.
fear whatsoever. What an amazing superstar.
But look at my man,
We all know what's coming next.
Go ahead.
They nailed it. Uber driver.
Hey, guys, look at that freak on the floor.
Wearing down his opponent. He's not going to get the
Who's
freak
that
down
running away?
without
Oh.
doing some more damage
Look
first.
at TV.
A flying four, sending the opponent crashing down to the ground.
My man's brave.
What's he going to do here? Oh my
Look at my
God!
man.
What a spear! I'm surprised he didn't break his opponent in half, JR. Super driver. What an ouch! Now there's a move that'll take the fight right out of you, JR. Well, it's certainly not the most technical of moves, but I can't say that it's not effective. I'll tell you what, King, the WWE